In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix iPhone personal hotspot not working problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution consists of a few small steps. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that cellular data and personal hotspot are turned on. This is important because if one of them is off, the hotspot will not work. To do this, we open settings. Then click on cellular, and if cellular data is not toggled on, toggle it on. We do the same for personal hotspot. The other thing we need to do is to toggle on maximize compatibility. This will make the hotspot work better. The next thing we need to do is turn off low power mode. To do this, we click on cellular and then cellular data options. Then click on data mode, and if low data mode is selected, change it to standard or allow more data on 5G. The last thing we need to do is restart our device. We will restart our device so that the changes we have made can be applied. After restarting your device, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to update iOS. The problem might have been solved with the new update. To check if iOS is up to date, open settings and then click on general. After that, click on software update. Then, if there is an iOS update that we need to do, click update now to do this update. After clicking update now, we enter our passcode to continue. We have updated our device. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the final solution. The last solution is reset network settings. Since the problem may be caused by the network settings, doing this may solve the problem. To do this, open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. After doing this, click reset and then click reset network settings. After that, you can enter your passcode and continue. I can't show this part because I am recording, but you need to enter your passcode and continue to solve the problem. After resetting the network settings, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists after trying these solutions, the problem may be caused by your internet provider. In this case, you can contact them and find out the cause of the problem. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.